All right. Welcome back. Welcome back to part two on an example of a simple swing trade. Okay. So last video we talked about four. I actually started with three steps, but then I ended up adjusting it to make it four steps. Okay. Bear with me. I'm going to create as much impact as possible being who I am. I don't want to be this over polished person, over edited videos where I look like everybody else on YouTube. You're going to get the bloopers. You're going to get the raw Katiana. Okay. All right. Because if not, then I'm not going to do it. So I'm just going to come as I am. Okay. So you're going to get the blooper in that. So this is my four simple steps to a profitable swing trade. Step one is to find a solid company, non-negotiable. You cannot move on without finding a solid company. Okay. And those of you who are like, yeah, how do I find a solid company? We will be learning that in the mentorship, and also too, I do have a one-off class, a e-course, a digital course that I'm currently recording just to show you how to find a solid company. Because just knowing that alone, you don't ever have to swing trade, you don't ever have to trade, you don't ever have to do any type of short-term short-term strategies, but it's going to give you the skill on not only how to analyze a stock, but to also analyze other investments out there. As a matter of fact, in the investment club, we have a $500,000 simulation that we do where everybody is assigned $500,000 and their goal is to grow it within 90 days, right? And through that, that includes actually making decisions around real life investments. And believe it or not, when we are analyzing any type of investment, I'm thinking faster than I'm talking. Let me slow down the thinking. When we are analyzing different investments, no matter what it is, whether it's stocks, whether it's real estate, whether it's a private deal, whether it's a syndication, whether it's a private fund, right? No matter what it is, we still use the same questionnaire that I go over, the same checklist that I go over to see if a company is healthy or not, right? And so this is a transferable skill that not only helps you pick healthy companies, healthy stocks, but remember, what are stocks anyway? They're businesses. So if you know how to analyze the health of a business, you know how to translate that to analyze pretty much almost every investment asset class that there is out there. Now, of course, real estate is going to have its own little language. Of course, private equity is going to have its own little language. Crypto is going to have its own little language. But essentially, you're looking at the same stuff, right? You're looking at, what do the numbers say? All right. And what's the history of this company, essentially, of this investment, of this opportunity. Okay. And so this is very important. Then we went over what are the big banks doing? And that's something that we go deep into in the mentorship. Okay. This right here is being intentional. Step three, plan how many shares you want to buy and then automate everything. So we're actually going to take a look at a real life example. Okay. So today we're going to take a look at Netflix. And by the way, none of this, oh, I didn't mean to do this. Oh man, I'm going to have to. That's gonna stay there because I was trying to open this tab, and of course that I'm not deleting that. Okay, you guys are gonna get to see that. So, um, so what I want to do is I want to take a look at Netflix. Okay, all right. So if we take a look here, let me remove some of this chicken scratch. Okay, if you take a look, and those of you who have a little bit of how do I say this? What's the word I'm looking for? Experience. Those of you who have a little bit of experience in trading, you notice that I have some stuff on my screen, okay? And these things, these are what we call indicators. And these indicators show you, right, where the big banks are buying and selling. And in the program, in these mentorship program, whether you do the boot camp, the 3-day boot camp, which I'm thinking about bringing back in October of this year. I did it last year and the girls were making so much money. So I'm excited to do it again. But what happened was with the boot camp, a lot of the girls needed more time. So that's why I created the mentorship. I think the mentorship is much more powerful. But I had people who just did the boot camp and they're doing very well. It depends on your learning style, right? If you've already done trading in the past, then my boot camp is perfect. It's 3 days, straight to the point, bada bing, bada bang. You go out there and you make money. But if you've never swing traded, this is your first time ever, I think a longer program will not only help you to familiarize yourself with the concept, with the whole world of swing trading, but it will also go at a slow enough pace so that you're not overwhelmed. Because in the boot camp, the 3-day boot camp, we're going fast, right? And so anyways, all of that to say is if you decide to join the mentorship or the boot camp, you will learn how to insert these on your own chart, right? How to put those, because right now they're already there. How do I get them there? How do I know which one's which? Because I see lines, I see different colors. You're going to learn how all of this mean, what all of this means. So I'm going to rewind the clock real quick, okay? And I'm going to rewind the clock to where Netflix was about, what is that, $75. Okay. If you take a look here, this is Netflix at $75. This was Tuesday, February 2026. Okay. February 12th. Sorry. Tuesday, February 12th. Thursday. Hello. Right here. Down there. It says Thursday, 12th, February 26th. Okay. So that was the 12th of February. So about a month ago, literally almost a month ago. Okay. And if you see here, Netflix was going down. Okay. Now, if you don't know how to read a chart, it's okay. If I were to draw a line here, that connects as many of the candles as possible, the line is pointing down. So that means since July of last year, right, for about a little more than 6 months, actually about 9 months, Netflix was down. So a rookie investor might say, oh my God, Netflix is down. Are they going bankrupt? Right? Should I sell my shares? Right? But a sophisticated investor, an investor who has gone through Katiana's programs or some sort of swing trading program, sees an opportunity. Why? Because you would have already went through my questionnaire, right? My analysis to see, is Netflix healthy or not? Because if Netflix is not healthy, then how do I know it's going to go back up? Right? If Netflix is not healthy, if its financials are not healthy, if the company is not healthy, then I cannot be confident that it's going to go back up. I can't be confident that it's going bankrupt. So I need to look at the financials. I need to peel back the curtain to see if it's healthy. So once you have seen that Netflix is healthy, you see, oh my God, they're right over here at $75 area. I have a line here. What this is telling me is if Netflix were to reach that price, there's a high likelihood that the big banks, the big boys, the big investment firms, the ones with trillions and billions of dollars, they're going to start buying Netflix, right? They're going to start buying more because they're going to be like, oh my God, Netflix was at 132 not too long ago, and now it's at $70. That's a sale, right? And so they're going to start buying. Guess what we're going to do? We're also going to start buying. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into our simulation account. Oh, I have to log in. All right, I have to pause the video real quick so I can log in. Okay, so bear with me here. Actually, yes, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Okay, I had to log in real quick. Okay, so this is a simulated account. Okay, so in the program, everybody's gonna have an account, and I know it looks intimidating. Don't worry. Okay, don't get intimidated. All right, we're gonna make it all make sense. As a matter of fact, there's a lot of things on the screen that you don't need. Okay, I'm going to show you all the things that you want to pay attention to so that this becomes second nature. Think about, the first time the first day at your job. A lot of it was intimidated, but now you could do it with your eyes closed, right? And so it's the same thing. Don't get intimidated. The program is 6 weeks because it's not going to take you that long to get it. Okay. As a matter of fact, you're going to get it before 6 weeks because the last 2 weeks is practice. So it doesn't take that long to get it. Okay. I promise. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on Netflix right here. Okay. I'm going to search for Netflix and I'm going to click on the buy button right here. I'm going to click on buy. Okay. And then I'm going to tell it how much. So essentially what's happening is you're telling your investment account, you're telling the robot, you're telling the algorithm to automatically do this for you. Okay. And so I'm going to go ahead and click the right buttons. I'm not going to go too deep into this. I'm going to click on the right buttons and then I'm going to tell it when to buy and when to sell. Okay. So now once I do that, I walk away, I mind my business. Okay. And I just let it do what it do. Okay. So now let's see, I'm going to play the tape and I'd like for you to pay attention to the candles. Okay. And I'd like for you to pay attention to see what happened after. Okay, so now I decided I'm gonna buy Netflix at $75. What if it goes lower, Kat? There's another line right at 61 area, right? And so guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna automate, put in the automation, show it, hey, go ahead and buy more shares of Netflix if Netflix were to go down to 62, because I'm getting an even better sale. Okay. All right. So now let's see what happens next. Okay. Next day, Netflix is not really doing anything. It's just kind of going up and down. No real movement. No, oh, there we go. It's popping back up. Okay, boom. Look at that right here. So Netflix, it sat over here for a little bit. It didn't move much. And then boom, it went up to 96 area. Okay. So now imagine you got 100 shares, right? 100 shares at $75. Okay. That's about $7,500. I also show you how to, a way to get funded for your trading. That's one thing that I also teach. Now, do you have to accept the funding? No, right? But a lot of my students use the funding in order to be able to amplify their account, right? So if you were to use the funding, you would only use about half of that. You wouldn't use the full 3,500. You would only need to put up about half of that. Okay. But anyway, let's say you didn't. Let's say you just did this with all cash money. You didn't use any funding. Okay. So 75, you bought 100 shares at $75, and then it reaches, let's say 95. You decided to exit at 95. You didn't get it at 96. You did 95. That's $20 a share. So go ahead and do the math. Let's do the math together. Let's actually do it. Let's find a calculator. Okay. Compound interest calculator. I'm sorry, not compound interest calculator, regular calculator. So if I did 100 shares, right, and I made $20 a share, then I would have made $2,000. Okay. I don't know why this is so slow. Okay. There we go. All right. $2,000. Okay. And so with that being said, a very, 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 very easy trade here. Okay. Now, how long did that take? I bought Netflix on Thursday of the 12th. That's when my automations would have kicked in, right here, Thursday. And then it stayed there. It stayed at the 75 range for a while there. Okay. Let me make it a little bigger. So it stayed there. It didn't really move much. But by the end of February, so that took about what, 2 weeks, maybe? 2 weeks, I was able to make $2,000, right? Now, notice how much was the trade? The trade was $75 times however many shares. So if, let's say, I can't afford 100 shares, well, get 50, get 20, right? Now you wouldn't be making 2 grand. Maybe you'll make a grand. Maybe you'll make $800. Maybe you'll make 500. Either way, the goal is to start where you are, right? Prove to yourself, make money over and over, print money over and over, and then step into the identity where you are the type of person who can go into the market and print money. That's the goal of this mentorship. Not for you to go and make millions of dollars overnight. The goal is to get you confident enough to know I have the power to go into the market and print money. All right. So those of you who are interested in joining us, there is a link below that has all the information. If you're not sure, if you're like, I'm not sure if this is for me, Kat, am I ready for this? Is this a right fit? You can go ahead and book a 15-minute call. We could talk about if this is a good fit. But if you're like, Kat, listen, I've already tried to trade. I don't get it. This example was beautiful. Kat, I don't know what you just showed me, but I just heard $2,000 in 2 weeks. Let's go, right? Whatever it is, whatever you decide. Again, this is not a good fit for everybody. This is not a let me stop sharing my screen, right? Let's have a conversation. This is not a good fit for everybody, right? Not everybody's ready to swing trade. And that's why I used to do this privately. This is the first time I'm opening it up semi-publicly. Now, have I opened it up to the entire public? Not just yet. I want to get more of you guys trading. I want to move you guys. I want to create the best program that I can that moves you, because I'm going to be honest with you. The only people who don't make money in these programs are people who don't do anything. Okay. And so anyways, if this is a good fit, because it's not a good fit for everybody, but if it's a good fit for you, I'm excited to see you. Check out the description. You'll see all the links to sign up, to learn more, all of that jazz. All right. See you soon. Bye.